Okay, materials. I got a jar of random screws and bits. I've got a handful of 16 penny nails. I've got my little clippers here because I've been finding sticks around the yard to use as stakes. Other random things to use as stakes. Hammer, drill, and another set of screws and things like that. The main project is to spread the hay and put a roof on it. We'll water this, we'll add seed, but a lot of this straw, this is not hay, this is actually bedding straw. But a lot of this bedding straw comes with all sorts of seed. So when it starts to seed, I don't want the chickens eating it. I want them to eat it when it gets a couple inches tall, and I want to hold them away for it at weeks at a time. So I put these pieces over the top of it, and this is another chunk of fencing from the neighbor's gardens that they gave me. That's just about perfect. And then I'll sink a nail in there. And I'm gonna leave it like that. And the only reason I'm securing it is because I think the dog will get at it. Otherwise, I don't think it's a big problem. But I'll pull these screws up, and I'll do this again throughout the year. In fact, I think I'm gonna change my mind on this one real quick. I'm gonna go halfway across that one, and I'm gonna build another one with more hay. And then on the next one, I'll use this 2x4. Again, everything I'm using, stuff either the neighbors were getting rid of or from old jobs that I've done. Put this about right there. I'm gonna grab another handful of hay. We will water this hay too. I think I mentioned that earlier, but again, it's outside. It's gonna receive the rain and the sun just like anything else. But it's another just fresh food source for the chickens without spending too much time, too much money, and making sure that they have a little variety in their diet. And I don't have to constantly be paying for all of their food. So we use these little tricks. If they work, this is an idea that I got off of Pinterest, and I just modified it for the things that I do. Put that at an angle because I only have half the 2x4 to hit now. This one at an angle. Here. Here. One there. And I think I'm about halfway on here. One. At an angle there. And my last nail I'll use to secure this very end piece. Oop, that one didn't go through. Again, I'm using these nails, leaving them halfway up so that I can come pop them out real easy. Do this whole process again in a few weeks, maybe a month, depending on what I plant and how fast it comes up. Now this whole thing is kind of attached. The dog won't be able to get to it. Obviously the kids will be able to jump over it and notice it. The nails aren't sticking out too far. I'm gonna water it and I'm gonna spread some seed in there. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is part 2 of the quick raised bed garden for chicken variety food. Thank you.